Kansas City barbecue is one of my favorite ways to enjoy ribs during the summer, but this year I'm making Kansas City salmon. This sweet and sticky salmon side is perfect for Father's Day, and it pairs perfectly with an incredible slaw we're gonna put together. Now, the cut of salmon that I like is MOWI salmon sides. It's literally the side of the salmon that's been trimmed, all the bones have been removed. But if you notice right here, there's that Good Housekeeping seal, and that means for 2 years in a row, this piece of salmon has been distinguished by Good Housekeeping because of its excellence. Let's remove the packaging, wipe it down, and begin seasoning the salmon. Now, if you know me, I love coffee rub. It really reminds me of like barbecue season all year long. And there are a lot of barbecued seasonings out there that you can purchase online or in your regular supermarket. So find your favorite coffee rub. It doesn't have any caffeine in it per se, but it does have some of this brown sugar blackening spices that are perfect for this salmon. So go ahead and spread a lot of this coffee rub right on top. Place this on a baking sheet and pop it into the oven for about 6 to 7 minutes. We don't want to fully cook the salmon because now we're going to be introducing a little bit of sweetness to this. Now, for me, the way to find the best barbecue sauce is to look for the way it's sweetened. Honey, brown sugar, or even molasses. Look at the ingredients and make sure there's no high fructose corn syrup. If, for example, molasses is in there, then you're guaranteed that this is going to be a sweet, bold, luscious barbecue sauce perfect for our salmon. The salmon is partially cooked, and now let's go ahead and brush this barbecue sauce on top. Dark, deep, rich flavors all on top of that salmon. All right, turn on your broiler and pop it into the oven. Now keep an eye on it because that sauce is sweet and it can easily burn, and you don't want that to happen. So watch how it all bubbles together. That extra heat from the broiler is going to start cooking the rest of the salmon. And once you start seeing that that barbecue sauce is starting to thicken up, you remove it. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to dig in. But first, we need a sweet slaw to go with it. So I'm going to pull out my food processor for this. First thing first, we're going to add some carrots in there. Then some cabbage. Let's throw some herbs in there too. And let's put that aside. Now for the creamy slaw, you want something that's kind of sweet that pairs really well with it, but a little vinegary as well. So I'm gonna be using rice vinegar for this. But first, some sour cream, a little bit of mayo, Dijon mustard, and for some sweetness, you can add some honey, maple syrup, or in this case, agave. Agave is a great way to add sweetness to a sauce because it really saturates inside of that sauce without it being granular like sugar. A little salt and pepper, some garlic powder and onion powder, and that rice vinegar, which is the perfect balance. Mix that up. If you feel it needs a little more creaminess, add some more mayo. If it's too creamy, well, water it down. Okay, let's mix this with that cabbage mixture. And now serve up. This MOWI Atlantic Salmon side is the perfect way to start your barbecue season. Sweet and sticky and absolutely bold in flavors. And the best part about this salmon side is that you don't even need a grill. Happy Father's Day.